Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope while you're here you will decide to subscribe to my channel and give it a like. So today I am folding clothes and cleaning up the room a little bit. So I'm starting off with a nice pumpkin candle and I'm going to pump myself up to get motivated. And now I'm going to finish my coffee and enjoy it. That's my face when I have to make the bed and clean in the morning. So like I said, I'm not going to do a deep clean today. I'm just going to do the regular type of clean that I would do on a daily basis, which I always start off with making my bed just so I feel accomplished. And if I can do this, I can get through a bunch of other tasks is how I see it. Also, when my bed is made, it kind of looks like the room is put together, even if it's a hot mess. Let me know in the comments if you guys make your bed every day. So I'm just adding my giant collection of pillows, which in my next videos you guys will see that I completely changed my bedding out. If you guys subscribe and watch my videos, you know I've been talking about this green duvet for weeks now. And you will laugh because I was obsessed. And I got a pretty grayish one that goes with the rest of my furniture. And it is so pretty, but there always has to be a but, right? It's not as heavy as the duvet that I have on in this video. So I kind of miss like that heavy weighted blanket feeling, but I love the color better. So I might like get a blanket or something to put underneath. I'm not sure because I'm one of those weird people that even if I'm super hot, I have to just have that feeling of a blanket, especially a heavy one. So as you guys can see, I am just folding all of our clothes. I like to make the bed first and then do everything on there while I'm standing. Sometimes I'll sit down and watch a show, but for me, sometimes I feel this will get everything done faster as opposed to me just sitting there and getting sidetracked with the show. So here my husband came and put the giant laundry bag on the bed for me. He didn't know I was recording, so it was pretty funny as usual. So this day was pretty cloudy and rainy, and I wanted to make this just like a nice rainy day cleaning video, relaxing and soothing. So that's why I chose the music I did. And I know when I watch videos, that's what I like to relax to at times. Other times it's for motivation. And here you'll see me talking to myself. But if you notice the lamps, I am asking Google to turn the lights on for me. So these smart lamps are so amazing. Smart light, excuse me. You can buy the bulbs anywhere basically, and you hook it up to your Google Mini or whatever device you have, and it's like you can't get any lazier. So me and my husband actually have been on a really good laundry routine, and he used to do everything himself because it's hard to get the cart down the stairs with all the laundry. But we've been going to this corner place that we used to go, and I know and really like the owner there. So we've been getting up at I would say like 7 on Saturday, and we go and do the laundry and nobody's there, and it's perfect. We're done with everything and we're home by like 9:30, 10 o'clock the latest. And since we're doing it every week religiously, we're not as backed up. And it's just great to finish early and then have the rest of the day to do whatever we like, basically. So I finished folding. As you saw, I was really excited about that. And now I'm just putting everything away, taking a couple sips of my coffee. And this is actually my husband's dresser, what I'm in right now. So I just try and fold everything, and I don't make it perfect because a lot of his shirts he does iron, but I do try and do somewhat of a fold method. So now we're just moving on to my dresser, folding everything almost the same way as I did in my husband's, and I'm going to put it away. I was kind of struggling a bit to find room because I just switched over my clothes from summer to like fall winter. Even though, as I am doing the voiceover, New York has been super humid and kind of on the warm side, which, if you know me, you know I absolutely hate that. I love the cold weather. I love the fall and the winter, especially this year. I'm like, I wish it would snow so much that everybody is still working from home because of COVID. So I'm like secretly wishing for that. But I also know, thanks to global warming, like we don't really get a lot of snow like we used to. So it's not likely. So, you're really an adult when you find a matching pair of socks and you get excited because you all know that there seems to be a pet cemetery for socks. I do not know where they go. I really, really don't, but I hope wherever they are, they're happy, because without fail, every wash, there's always one sock missing at least. So here I'm moving on to just do a quick tidy of my vanity. This wasn't too messy, but like I said, since I was doing the laundry in here, it kind of motivated me to give a tidy up to the rest of the bedroom. So I'm just going to go ahead and, use some glass cleaner on my vanity and just put everything back in place. Basically, I have a bad habit of taking stuff out and leaving it, so that's why my house gets messy very quickly, even though I clean all the time. So I hope you've been enjoying the videos, because I've really been enjoying making them for you guys. I have so many ready to post. I am currently in New Jersey with my sister, but I am trying to still stay on schedule. So just bear with me, and you have to give it a like if you love this video. And I want to say thank you so much for watching, for all of your positive comments and all your support, guys, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.